The question on continuous function, it comes in the 4 marks question. Show that given by f of x equal to x minus mod x by x, where x is not equal to 0. Why? Because in the denominator, term is x. If it is x equal to 0, it goes to undefined function. So it should be the condition is x is not equal to 0. We can show that it is continuous for r minus at 0. Okay. That is, first what we can prove the continuous function if the limit is exist or not. That is nothing but left hand limit and right hand limit both are same or not. If the both values are same, then limit value is exist. If it is exist, then that function is continuous for that limit value. Okay. First we can take the function. Given function is f of x is equal to x minus mod x by x when x is not equal to 0. First, we can define what is the mod x relation. Mod x equal to minus x if x is less than 0 plus x if x is greater than 0. That is the condition of the mod x. Next, we can show that at limit x tends to 0, is it left hand limit value, right hand limit value, both are equal or not. First, we can take left hand limit. That is nothing but LHS means nothing but left hand limit. In this, for x tends to 0 minus, then x value is negative. That is x is less than 0 relation. We can take the limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. It is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x minus for x is less than 0, what is the value of mod x? That is minus x. Minus x by x. It is equal to limit x tends to 0, x minus into minus plus 2x. X plus x is 2x by x. X get cancelled. We are getting the limit value is 2. Next, we can find out the right hand limit value. Right hand limit value means if x tends to 0 plus, then the x values are greater than 0. All x values are greater than 0. Next, to find out the limit of x tends to 0 plus f of x, it is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x means if x is greater than 0, we can take the mod x is x. So it is x minus x by x. This is equal to 0. Here clearly left hand limit and right hand limit values both are not equal. That is nothing but limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So limit x tends to 0 f of x does not exist. The limit value does not exist. Therefore, f of x is not continuous. On R such that R set 0 is subtracted from the R. Okay, this is the solution. Next problem. If f is function defined by f of x equal to set of x minus 1 by under root x minus 1 if x is greater than 1. The second is x 5 minus 3x if minus 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 1. 6 by x minus 10 if x is less than minus 2. Then discuss the continuity of f. We can take the continuity at x equal to minus 2. Why? Because the one value is, if we can check the continuity at 1 and we can check the continuity at minus 2, that is our wish only. Here, they didn't mention at particular point of x equal to minus 2, they didn't give. So we can take either these two cases or two cases we can discuss. I am discussing about two cases. Okay. First, we can write the given function, that is f of x is equal to set of x minus 1 by under root of x minus 1 if x is greater than 1. 5 minus 3x if minus 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. 6 by x minus 10 if x is less than minus 2. Okay. Now we can take at x equal to minus 2, we can check the relation of the continuity. That is nothing but we can check at x equal to minus 2, is it limit is exist or not. Okay. For that, we can check, we can find out the left hand limit. Left hand limit means as x tends to 2 minus, then x is less than minus 2. Okay, that is the function value. So limit x tends to minus 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to minus 2 minus f of x means x is less than minus 2, that is 6 by x minus 10. Then we can take in the place of x is minus 2, 6 by minus 2 minus 10, it is equal to 6 by minus 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are, it is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, to find out the right hand limit. For right hand limit, we can take x tends to minus 2 plus, then the x value is greater than of minus 2. So that is in the limit of 5 minus 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to means that is nothing but x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So we can take the function f of x equal to 5 minus 3x. Now limit x tends to minus 2 plus f of x, it is equal to limit x tends to minus 2 plus f of x is nothing but 5 minus 3x. It is equal to 5 minus 3 into 2. It is equal to minus 1. So here clearly LHN is not equal to RHN. Therefore, limit x tends to minus 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to minus 2 plus f of x. Therefore, limit x tends to minus 2 f of x does not exist. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x equal to minus 2. Okay, it is the one relation. Next, we can check for x equal to 1 also. If x equal to 1 means for 1 minus we can take 5 minus 3x. At 1 plus we can take x minus 1 by root x minus 1. Okay. Again, I am taking that relation. At x equal to 1, we check the continuity relation. For left hand limit is nothing but x tends to 1 minus, then x is less than 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus 5 minus 3x. That is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, right hand limit is equal to, for right hand limit, we can take x tends to 1 plus, then x is greater than 1. So limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is x minus 1 by under root of x minus 1. It is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus x is 1 minus 1 by under root of 1 minus 1. Suppose we can take, okay, here direct we can substitute in the place of x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 by root of 1 minus 1. It will be goes to 0. So we cannot take a particular value of x equal to 1. Okay, we can go for the x equal to 2 only. minus 2. Okay. The next problem, if f given by f of x equal to set of k square x minus k if x is greater than or equal to 1, 2 is a constant if x is less than 1, is continuous function on R, then find the value of k. See here, they have given the relation or condition is it is continuous. It is a continuous function, then we can prove that the value of k, that is nothing but at 1 we are taking. At x equal to 1, the function is continuous. It is a continuous. If it is continuous means that is the relation is limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. We have this relation for continuous. For that, first we can take the LHL and RHL, left hand limit. What is the left hand limit? We can take at x equal to 1 means if x tends to 1 minus means then x should be less than of minus 1. Sorry, less than of 1. 1 minus means less than 1. Where it is less than 1, 2 is a function. So limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to 2 is the value. Next, take the right hand limit. The right hand limit is at x tends to 1 plus means then the x value is the greater than 1. If it is greater than 1 means we can take the limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to, for 1 plus value is greater than, that is limit x tends to 1 plus k square x minus k. Okay. Here we can take k square x minus k means in the place of x we can take 1 minus k. It is equal to k square minus k. From the relation of, since f is continuous, at x equal to 1, what is the relation? Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. So 1 minus means it is the value of 2. 1 plus is it is k square minus k. Taking minus this 2 is right side, then it becomes k square minus k minus 2 equal to 0. Split into factors, k square minus 2k plus k minus 2 equal to 0. K is common from the first two terms. It is k minus 2 plus 1 is taking common, k minus 2 equal to 0. K minus 2 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k equal to either 2 or k equal to minus 1. This is the solution. Okay, third bit is very, very important, 4 marks bit. Just you can concentrate how they are asking the question, how to we can check the relation. Check the continuity of f given by f of x equal to set of 4 minus x square if x is less than or equal to 0, x minus 5 if 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 1, 4x square minus 9 if 1 is less than x is less than 2, 3x plus 4 if x is greater than or equal to 2. At the point 0, comma 1 and 2. It is important. See here, check the continuity of f at 0, 1 and 2. First, we can take at x equal to 0. That is nothing but we can check the relation x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. That is left hand limit and right hand limit, both are equal or not. If it is equal, then it is continuous. If it is not equal, then that is not continuous. Okay. That implies it is continuous at particular point at x equal to 0. We can take left hand limit. X tends to 0 minus means then we can take x is less than 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x is less than 0 means we can take the function 4 minus x square. Now we can write in the place of x equal to 0, it is 4. Next, right hand limit. At x tends to 0 plus, that is nothing but x is greater than 0. So limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x means x greater than 0. So the value is x minus 5. Now substitute x equal to 0. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Therefore, or since limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Both are not equal. Therefore, f of x is not continuous. It is not continuous at x equal to 0. Its first case is over. Next, we can check at x equal to 1. Then left hand limit is, we can take x tends to 1 minus means then we can take x is less than 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus means x less than 1 is x minus 5. It is equal to 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. Right hand limit. X tends to 1 plus, then x is greater than 1. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus means x greater than 1. So that is 4x square minus 9. Replace x equal to 1, then 4, 1 square, 4 minus 9 equal to minus 5. So these are also not equal. Since limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Both limits are not equal. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x equal to 1. Next, third case. Case 3. At x equal to 2. LHL, left hand limit, x tends to 2 minus, then x is less than 2. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is less than 2 value is 4x square minus 9. X less than 2 is 4x square minus 9. X greater than 2 is 3x plus 4. It is equal to 4 into 2 square minus 9. It is 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Right hand limit x tends to 2 plus, then x is greater than 2. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is 3x plus 4. It is equal to 3 into 2 plus 4. It is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 4 is 10. So, since limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, then f of x is not continuous at x equal to 2. These are cases for the relating of the given problem.